In this video, I want to help you visualize and understand what sound actually is. We'll start from the basics. So sound is a wave that travels through air, but also wood, steel, water, really any material you can think of. And what these sound waves actually are areas of compressed and expanded molecules in those materials. For a given temperature, sound and air all travel at the same speed. To help you visualize how we can get different sounds, we'll use these more traditional transverse waves. So these waves, even though they travel at the same speed in air, they can have different wavelengths, which is the distance between peak in these waves. If you've seen my video on X-rays, you already know where I'm going with this. But as these waves hit your ear, something with a shorter wavelength, you'll get more peaks interacting with your ear every second. That's what we call a higher frequency. So small wavelengths, higher frequencies, that corresponds to a higher pitch sound. Long wavelengths, lower frequencies, that corresponds to a lower pitch sound. Let's go to something more practical like a guitar string. The frequency that a guitar string oscillates at depends on two things. One is the tension on the string, the other is the length on the string. Now for tension, if we tighten one of the tuning knobs, it'll increase the tension, it'll make the string tighter, the frequency will go up. Now for the length, it's actually the opposite. If we make the length shorter, the frequency will go up. So as you actually put your fingers on the frets, what you're doing is you're shortening the length of the string. So it vibrates at a higher frequency, which means it's higher pitched. That's why the higher you go up on the fret, the higher pitched sound you get. Now, these really clean waves that I've been showing are a little unrealistic. You can get them with certain synthesizers. In reality, what we get is a mix of these waves in a mix of what we call normal modes of the string. We'll leave that for another video, but at least now you understand the general concept. So I hope that makes sense, and thanks for watching.